Is baking soda mixed with a sweet attractant reliably effective against the different types of ants found in homes? Baking soda works against most common household ants when they ingest it because it disrupts their internal chemistry, but effectiveness depends on species behavior and bait acceptance. For sugar-feeding ants like odorous house ants and pharaoh ants, mix equal parts baking soda and powdered sugar and place tiny amounts along trails and near entry points, checking daily and replenishing before it clumps. For protein or grease-preferring ants, substitute powdered peanut butter or small bits of canned tuna with baking soda because bait acceptance is the limiting factor, not the baking soda itself. Carpenter ants rarely die from baking soda baits because colonies often contain many workers and the queens are deep in wood galleries, so use baiting combined with targeted wood repairs and dust treatments for best control. Fire ants and large outdoor species are seldom controlled by indoor baking soda baits because their foraging and colony dynamics differ, so focus baking soda use inside where small worker ants forage and use outdoor mound treatments for yard infestations. Always place baits out of reach of children and pets, and avoid mixing with liquids that dissolve the powder, and monitor for a week to 10 days to see colony level decline before changing strategy. People often assume one treatment will remove the whole nest, but many species require repeated baiting over time and monitoring to reach queens, so continue baiting until trail activity ceases. Another common issue is using the wrong attractant so ants ignore the baking soda, which you fix by switching bait matrix to match what the ants are eating that day, sugar or protein. Finally, homeowners sometimes scatter large piles, making the bait messy and less attractive, so measure small, dry dots 2 to 3 centimeters apart along trails to keep ants feeding rather than avoiding the deposit. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate trusted local contractors and to let contractors find work that fits their skills. We also host an active discussion community where we and other members share field experience, specific bait recipes, and local pest tips.